welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tami, and by the title of the video you already know it's all about natural hair care. So today I'll be showing you how to use mayonnaise as a hair treatment for your natural hair. But before we get into that, I just want to say big up to everybody, all my subscribers, all my supporters, all my viewers. You guys have made it to 550 subscribers. After that, big up on yourselves. Thank you, I appreciate it very much. And before I get into the video, I also want to do my subscribers shout out. These are the names of their channel, so go on over, make sure you subscribe to them, watch them videos, like them videos, share them stuff, and let them know say Tami sent you. The name of this person's channel is Journey with Kevin. Now Kevin, he does motivational talks, he talks about verbal and physical abuse, LGBTQ relationships, trans life, his trans life journey, and him also go live on YouTube a lot of times. You know, you can check him out. He has some really good content. Watch him like, you know, reason with him. And so if you just want to learn, be educated about certain things, trust me, Kevin, come out. He has a really good job, and just keep on doing what you're doing. You know me there, I support you, and I support your journey and everything because it's sales. Go on over, guys, subscribe to the channel and stuff. Next person we have is Jamaican Mixed Master. Yes, big up yourself, Morris. You don't know. He makes cocktails, the creative cocktails, the good things. Then yeah, check him out. Him also make other delicious drinks. Him share recipes. You know, lots of recipes and so he drinks them. So check him out. Subscribe to his channel. Comment, you learn a lot, make him know that I message you. Also check out Danny and T. Yeah, they do storytime pranks, vlogs, and more. Check them out, support them. You know, they're very supportive and all of that. Check them out. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Next person is T Frey 4.0. Now I saw this name and I like, that is so creative. Me never know what people say. T Frey 4.0, T Frey 4.0. I'm like, well, anyway, check out T Frey 4.0, our energy off the chain. I love our channel. She does cooking tutorials, she does games and challenges, she does story time. She and her husband, you know, them have a bossy. So go on over there, you just want a good vibes, you know, positivity and stuff. Check them out. Family friendly channel as well. And also the last person, check out Nashi Boo. Yes, check her out. She does storytime, girl talk, and challenges. Yes, go on over, subscribe to all of them channels, guys, and make them know say Tami sent you. Now if you want to be shouted out in the next video, all you need to do is just drop a comment below. If you have a channel, I will definitely shout you out. If you don't, or you're just like a viewer and stuff like that, you just have like maybe Instagram or Facebook, you're not a YouTuber, you can just take a screenshot of this video and post it on your IG and FB story, and make sure to tag me. Because if you don't tag me, I'm not going to see it, people, alright? I'm not going to come in here and say, oh, we're going to put up the screenshot and I'm not give them a shout out. And if you even want to do like a screen recorder or so, instead or watch it on your TV or computer, you just want to record it instead of the screenshot, just do that and tag me, and we'll definitely shout you out as well. And to my YouTubers, then if you want to be shouted out, just comment down below. Real, genuine comments and stuff. I still know I support everybody, and I definitely will shout you out. Alright? Guys, big up on yourselves, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to make the mayonnaise hair treatment for your natural hair. So of course the first thing you need is mayonnaise, and this is the one I'll be using. So get your mayonnaise. Right now I just kind of like eyeball it because my hair is a lot. So I'm not going to tell you like 4 spoons or 3 spoons, or, you know, depending on your hair, how long your hair is, how thick your hair is, then I guess you will know. I'm just use all of this bad boy. have more than less. Mayonnaise, you're finished still, so that's what I say. Why not, you know, use all the things you have at home. This is the amount I'm using. It's that whole container, you know. This one is my kitchen all night. Yeah. I might hear things that might be different from everything else. Alright, and then the next thing, 2 eggs. Cracked egg. And sometimes you don't really have to use egg, you can just use mayonnaise itself, because you know mayonnaise don't have egg already. You have soya bean oil, you have vinegar, lemon juice and all of them something. So you basically have egg already, but because I want it, I just want it in there. Alright? So I know them say egg good for ear and so yes. Next I'm adding my Jamaican Black Castor oil, and this is also optional. If you have like tea tree oil, you can use it, peppermint oil, olive oil, basically any oil you agree with your ear, you can use that instead. And this man I already use a lot. It's just like a little, you know, less than a tablespoon. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then you just kind of whisk it with your fork. You know, so this look messy right now. Whisk it all out. And another tip, if you're using this method and you have your mayonnaise in the fridge, you better you take it out like, as a matter of fact, make sure your mayonnaise are done or it expired or something. Better you take it out and let it kind of thaw out a little bit, so you not really will have that lump and thickness, you know, it kind of watered down there. So that's what I did. But you know, if you have good bottle of mayonnaise, you can take your time fridge and bowl, say you go make it out for here and then put it back in the fridge, you know, so that's spoiled right there. So that is one of my hacks. So I have this kind of smoothness. You notice in a race, you know, lump in it. The lump that you're seeing is actually bubbles. You're well smooth right now. But sometimes when I see people do this treatment and you see like lumps of mayo in there, that is one of the reasons. Or maybe at the brand. You can use actually any mayonnaise, but me, just I use when I have on this brand. Great value. Yeah. Alright, so after everything whisk out nice and so, this looks like a nice mayonnaise cake batter. That's true. Make some mayonnaise cupcake and so. Yes. After everything mixed out now, you all ready. And I will be showing you how to apply this to your hair. Alright, so let me just share with you the benefits of mayo. In the meantime, when used as a deep conditioning or hair mask, if you want to call it homemade ear mask, of course, it adds shine to your ear, a bully sheen. And normally if your hair dull and it get dried out, if you did keep up with me IG or my YouTube, you know, say we did go on the beach and we go on the yacht and all of them places, so the sun will damage the ear sheath and everything, so I kind of get back look a life in it and make it rejuvenate, dry out bad right now. So this is another way how I get back all of that substance, well, most of it when I did loss. And also I did talk about this in my 12 tips for growing natural hair. You have to always protect your hair when it comes to sun and them things there. So you can add this if you don't see it. If you didn't see that video, you can go and check it out. It's on my page. It's 12 tips to grow your natural hair fast. So check that out as well.
And the main ingredients in mayonnaise are egg and oil. So you would say, why may I already put egg in the mayonnaise? Because egg make the mayonnaise and put egg in it. Well, it can't do much for me. And you know, even though it's in it, it is processed. I know everything you get. That is the main thing. So when you put the actual real egg now in it, you know, so you get everything. And growing up, them used to say you have to use the egg yolk, you have to just use the egg white. And I have tried that. When I use the egg white, it come like me not get everything. And when I use the egg yolk, I realize say it look better. Because this method, I already do it already. When I was living in Jamaica, I did this method already. I did it a lot of times and it worked. So all of them things that I tell you now are not things where I never do before. If I never do it before, I tell you say this is an experiment and everything. But how I do it, I recommend it. And yeah, let's see how this one works out.
Alright guys, here we are. Jesus, my head stays real bad. Let me say real bad. So as you know, my head dry now, so and this is how it's looking right now. Take out my kerchief. So today is all about our mayonnaise hair mask. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply this one. First thing first, make sure you split your hair in sections. If your hair enough, if your hair thick, the more the better, yeah? Mine thick and enough. So yeah, I also clip my ends already because at the time to clip, I never record it or anything like that. So and I like me have the video. If you want me to do a recording of that one and show you guys how I clip my ear ends, you just let me know in the comment section and I will do that the next time I'm clipping my hair. Alright? So first thing first guys, make sure your ear section out, comb it out, and make sure you have your spray bottle and spray your hair before you apply. The thing is, when you spray your hair, it makes it much easier to handle and it just kind of like a little coating and it makes the product absorb faster. And you can use this method with anything. If you apply gel or product or anything, make sure you spray your hair first and just run your finger through it and detangle your hair. So when you apply your product, it just soak in better. Alright, guys, this is just water. You see? Only water. Look what the hair she had here. Extra. Alright. Now when you do this, by the way, my ear never wash nor anything. These are just dirty ear. So do it on a dirty ear because either way you have to wash it out. Mayonnaise, you take out scissors. This is gonna be very messy. I'm not ask, but either way. You try use your hand and just apply it. Oh my god, it smells like mayonnaise, people. This is bad. Just apply it and may do this using one of my fingers. Apply it. Just turn it off. Like this. It's messy, but it's so worth it. If you don't like mayonnaise, guys, good advice you have to put it in your ear because I tell you say the scent alone would have just turn you off. Seriously. This is how you apply it. Very messy. Yeah. And my ear love things like this because it just work it all up. Work it all up. So yeah. Make sure you get your roots. And I come let me and Joe, but not telling a lie. Woo! Yeah. That's how you apply it, guys. So, only the mayonnaise hair mask and look at the instant results already. Like, me not exaggerate, people. Me not exaggerate. Instant results. Alright, so because it's so messy and so, me I gotta just finish apply it and then after me show you when me do half it. Okay guys, I have to get a towel because why? This messy bag. But half it done right now. And yeah, look like so. Half it done right now. And it looks like this. See the difference? Dry. And pull it out. And try to see it. And try to see the difference. Makes sense. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side now and then show what I look like. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. All done. Application all done. Ear full of mayonnaise. Sorry, my ears are full of mayonnaise already. Guys, I almost not in the white at all. Anyway, after you finish your application, right, make sure you get a bag, scandal bag, plastic bag, whatever. Or if you have hair wraps, and you put your hair up like into a ponytail or something. You want to wrap it up, that would be nice. Give it a little, like maybe a little bun thingy. Hope it's still, because my ear sometimes like it fight me, like you do kung fu. Alright, you put it up in a little bun, and then you get your bag. Whichever bag you have. Me I double it back because to my ears there, struggle real. But the bag, when I double it, you also go to extra heat because basically you want to cover your hair so it's steam and all of that mayonnaise, egg, oil, everything just soak into your ear. So that is the purpose of it. Put me, Jesus. You put the bag over your hair. And you kind of like give it a tie if you can. I kind of give it a tie, and then when I give it a tie like that, a little knot in the back, you take it and tuck it under. So yeah, and you fix the front of it. Front now looks so good, and then will look something like this. Hope me get everything run over. And then now, you want extra heat on it. You get like a kerchief, towel or something, and then you just like put it over it. And extra security, because sometimes when the mayonnaise get hot, it just start run down in your face or anyway. So no, we don't want all of that negativity, you know. So yeah, you tie it up like you have on a turban now, you know, you not see. Ha! The Rastafari troubles. Yes. And then you let this stay. You let it sit for, I'm going for an hour. Honestly, I'm going for an hour. Some people will make it spicy like 30 minutes, but 1 hour may I do. And then when we take off this, I will show you how it look. Also, if you want more heat on your hair, you can use like a blow dryer or hair dryer and stuff like that. And you know, you just heat it up within the hour or however, how long you want it to stay. Because my hair kind of thick, we make it stay at your hour. You don't have to make it stay that long. You can make it stay 30 minutes or less. And even let it stay overnight. If you want your hair like silky soft, may I tell you, you do this method, and if you can manage to sleep with it, glory be to God. So you feel like yes, them are sheets. But if you can, then trust me, you will see some wonderful silky soft results where you would never believe. So yeah, that's just another tip for you. I am back, and it stays still 1 hour and 15 minutes, you know, the time catch up on me, but me don't mind still, the longer I stay the better. So we're gonna take this off now. I'm gonna tell you people, let me put on the towel because it has run like a river. Jesus. And let me see what one. Mess. It. Warm. Alright, so me I go wash this out right now. Use your shampoo and conditioner, so you know. Me don't have a specific conditioner or shampoo when we use on a regular, but right now for shampoo I am using this. Yeah. Right now I'm going to use this conditioner. Yes. Carl's Data Black Vanilla. And it's a bit dry, dull and brittle hair, so it makes sense because you know the purpose of this is to rejuvenate my hair and you know put some protein in it and all of that stuff. So as one done, you know, try another one. You know, like, oh, every day you have to use that specific shampoo and conditioner. You know, just try stuff. It's whatever. It's whatever. Alright, so let me just wash this out. Alright, guys, so hair wash and everything. Shampoo and conditioner, yeah? And let me take this down so you guys can see the results of the mayonnaise hair treatment. Alright, so guys, just comment down below what do you think about the results for my mayonnaise hair treatment. easy DIY. All of them things there you can use. But then in your house, you know, you don't have to go all the way out, go spend above and beyond, you know. Home ingredients to use. So this is the front side shot. You know, like I said, but you never sound right in my head, so I'm like, like that one day. Yes, there you go. That's it, guys. Yes, you know, when it's dry, it's about just poof out, so poof, like a big pull down. Alright guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you will try it, and if you do, just let me know how it works. Or feel, tag me in it and everything, so you know me can get the comment on your video and everything. And also remember to like this video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm on the way to 570 subscribers, you know. When I go too far, I'm now put here 600, get me just take me a little time and chickle, you know what I mean? Cool and steady. I'm enjoying the journey with you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Big up on yourself. Natural hair out.